Hi, I'm Angie from All American Ford, and today I want to talk about the 2022 E-Transit. Hardworking, efficient, and electric. Let's take a look. The best-selling commercial van brand in the U.S. is now helping lead businesses into the electric future. The all-new U.S.-assembled Ford E-Transit van has a targeted range of more than 125 miles, so you can be sure that you'll always get where you need to go. And Ford makes charging easy with an ecosystem of charging solutions to meet your business needs. Charge at home, at work, or with the Ford Blue Oval charging network across the tri-state area. Let's talk low cost of ownership. The E-Transit requires no gas and lower scheduled maintenance costs. In fact, the scheduled maintenance costs are estimated to be 40% less than the average cost for gas-powered vans. The available Pro Power onboard provides 2.4 kilowatts of power, enough to charge your tools to get the job done. From power tools like saws, drills, jackhammers, and more, to tablets and laptops, you won't need a generator to power your tools. And since it works while a van is being driven, it's easier to keep things powered between jobs. Even the interior has been completely redesigned for comfort and convenience. The E-Transit van was designed to offer a highly functional interior. By redesigning the center console, there's even more legroom and improved interior walkthrough. The new rotary shifter replaces the manual parking brake lever with an e-brake on the vehicle. The result is greater functionality and productivity. All American Ford is one of the largest commercial vehicle centers in the country, and we're here to help you with your electric van needs. So check out All American Ford and oldbridge.com for more information to shop our inventory. We are your E-Transit headquarters.